Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. As you all know, life is sometimes very hard, and no one wants to deal with it. It becomes boring, and you just sit in front of your television while using your mobile phone. Well, you can make your life fun and easy with some creative life hacks. Yes, there are many tricks that you can do in your spare life to make things fast and fantastic and solve your problems. In this video, I will tell you about DIY tricks and tips that will make your problems go away and help you to become creative. Make sure you see this video till the end and share it with your friends. What are you guys waiting for? Let's see what DIY tricks we have today. The blunt knife. If you have a blunt knife and facing difficulty cutting vegetables or fruits, this hack is for you. Take the porcelain plate and put it upside down on a flat surface. Rub the blade of the knife against the plate for a minute. Your knife is all set to cut food items speedily. Some toothpaste tricks. A toothpaste can give you more work than cleaning teeth. Many people have no idea what it is capable of. So, are you ready to do something surprising with your toothpaste? Number 1. Cleaning with toothpaste. You can also clean the headlights of your car with toothpaste. It seems impossible, but it is correct. Take a tissue paper piece and put some paste on it. Clean the headlights and wait for a few seconds. Clean with water and a small part of the cloth. That will clean the light and bring the shine back. Removing the black and rusty material from the silver is difficult. But you can clean the silver jewelry using regular toothpaste. You will need a spare toothbrush for this hack. Take the brush and apply the paste to it. Now, start cleaning the jewelry pieces one by one. And after you are done, clean with a part of cloth or tissue paper. The jewelry will get cleaned and polished. Number 2. Removing the stains and scratches. Your regular toothpaste can remove all the scratches from different things. And that is what you need to know. The mobile screen does not look good where there are lines on it. No matter how hard you try, these lines will never erase using a simple cloth or tissue piece. Well, try it with the toothpaste. Apply some paste on the screen and rub it. Clean the screen with tissue paper or a small piece of cloth. All the scratches will go away. Removing scratches from the CDs is the hardest thing you can do. But now, you can use toothpaste. Take a tissue paper and put some paste on it. Start cleaning the CD with the tissue. It will remove all the scratches and CD will look brand new. We all know how an iron looks when you do not clean the stains from it. You cannot use a detergent or soap to remove all the spots, but you can use toothpaste. Take the paste on a hard sponge and rub it against the surface of iron speedily. The stains will start to come out looking like small black particles. Clean the iron with a new piece of cloth, and that is it. Number 3. Remove the bad odors. Some food items can leave their odor on your hands for a long time. It does not matter how much you use soap to wash your hands, the odor will never get away. For this purpose, you can use toothpaste on your hands. Apply it to your hands just like you apply the soap and wash your hands. You will get surprised how fast the odor will go away magically. Remote wrap. Watching the television and eating snacks with your hands do not make a good pair. Moreover, when there are kids at your home, they can make the remote very messy with dirty little fingers. To solve this problem, you can use this DIY hack. Take a plastic sheet and wrap it against the remote control. Once the wrapping is complete, put a piece of Scotch tape on the edge of the plastic. Take the hairdryer and blow the hot hair on the plastic covering. It will make it flat and easy to press the buttons. If you have a messy remote again, clean it with tissue paper. Glued hammer. The hammering of nails becomes a difficult task sometimes. This process can leave marks on the surface whenever the hammer is not in the correct position. The easiest way to avoid the mess is to apply some hot glue to the hammer. It will not create a dent on any kind of surface and you will do your work easily. See, it is easy. End of marker. It gets annoying when the markers get dry. But you can solve this problem with your perfume. Take any perfume and spray it on the nib of the marker. The pen will start to work again. Rough carpets and rugs. If your rugs and carpets are becoming rough, you might find them hard to clean. It seems bad when all the material starts to tear up. To cope with this problem, you can always use this surprising hack. Take a cup of baking soda, cornstarch, and a few whole cloves in a blender. Blend them well to mix everything. Put this powder on the carpet or rug and let it rest for at least 2 hours. Start the vacuum cleaner and rub it through the surface. It will make the rugs, mats, and carpets fresh. Signing the papers. It gets much hard when you have to sign a lot of papers by yourself. I know it is a tiring and boring thing to do. But you can make it fun by using this simple and smart trick. Take 3 pens of the same color and same company. Tie them together in a straight line with Scotch tape. Now, sign the papers. You will feel it is just 1 pen in your hand right now. But, in reality, there are 3 pens. The touch pen. If your touchpad does not come with a pen, you do not have to worry about that. This is because you can make one at home. Take the highlighter pen and take out the nib part from it. Wash it thoroughly using only the water. When you feel that there is no ink left in the nib, put it inside the highlighter again. Use it as the touch pen and show your creativity on the touchpad. No cake cutting knife. Maybe you cannot find a knife to cut the cake at your surprise birthday party. Well, what will you do now? Do not worry because you have the glasses to drink juice. Or you can use the glasses to eat the cake. Take the glass and put it on the cake. Immediately, bring the glass up and you will get a perfect piece of cake to eat. Repeat with all the glasses and make your friends happy. Aloe vera for teeth. You can make your gums healthy and teeth shiny by applying fresh aloe vera gel to your teeth. If you have an automatic toothbrush, it is best to use it this time. Take the brush and put it in the aloe vera to get the gel out of it. Once you know it is ready, apply it to the teeth. Let it rest for a few seconds. Rinse your mouth and keep the freshness alive for a long time. You can also use the regular toothbrush in the same way. Make sauce bottle at home. If you are tired of buying bottles for sauces, this is time for you to make bottles at home. Yes, you can do it. Take a plastic bottle and put the sauce in it. Now, it is time to make an area for getting the sauce out of the bottle. Take the cap of the bottle and heat it using a lighter. Now, take a toothpick and put it inside the cap, creating a small hole in it. Put the lid back on the bottle. Your sauce bottle is ready. The best part is that you can make as many bottles as you want. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, show me by tapping on the like button. Let me know in the comments section what tricks will you love to see in the future. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and notifications. Stay tuned to this channel because many new videos are on the way to you.